GetResponse at GetResponse.com. With GetResponse, there are no sending limits. As of the recording of this video, they do allow unlimited sending. So if you have a business model that requires you to send daily emails, that's going to be feasible with GetResponse. Pricing tiers are going to be based on the number of subscribers that you have. And there are going to be some additional features at higher tiers, but you are basically going to be paying for the number of subscribers that you have inside of GetResponse. This is going to vary from time to time. There are features such as advanced automation. This is not the normal automation. These are very advanced triggers. There are webinars and CRM tools that are going to be at premium plans at higher levels. Again, those are not necessarily going to be what you are going to need to have. They're going to be nice to have elements. GetResponse is widely accepted for affiliate marketing activities. You are going to want to make sure that you understand their specific policies. Again, you may need to send people to your website and your landing page and then onto your affiliate link, but it is generally accepted that you can do affiliate marketing on GetResponse. Tagging and segmentation are going to be available on GetResponse, and you could send targeted messages based on having multiple lists. So GetResponse will give you automation capabilities. Now, because GetResponse right now offers unlimited sending, you're going to want to monitor this. It's possible that they may shift to metered sending or capped email limits. What's happening today doesn't mean that it's going to remain the same tomorrow. So if you move over there, you're going to want to be aware of that factor. GetResponse will allow you to have a delegate. So you can select a plan where you can have an assistant help you to manage your GetResponse account. One thing to note that has been discussed in various forums is that there's a process in getting your entire list moved over and getting GetResponse to accept all your contacts. If you start sending and then those individuals don't open your email, GetResponse may ask you to purge that list. So this is not going to be you just move all your contacts over and just going to start sending emails and everything's going to be the exact same as maybe you used to use on the previous platform. There's a process. It is iterative. GetResponse is going to monitor when you bring over new contacts, especially if you're going to be a new customer. Those are the parameters of GetResponse. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.